So we're plane spotting at Melbourne Airport today. There's another one coming over there, you can see over there. This one's landing over there, as you can see. Another one. This is the Qantas going 737838 from Brisbane. Qantas flight 449 Sydney to Melbourne going 7378. As you can see, it's coming now. So it just lands over there, as you can see. Sri Lankan Airlines flight ULD04 Colombo to Melbourne A330343. Here's a big one coming, bigger than the other ones. Very nice, as you can see. So it's a Qantas flight 1554 from Hobart to Melbourne, 717 2EL. This is a smaller one, as you can see. Smaller than all the other ones. This one is a Virgin Flight VA146 coming from Queenstown, New Zealand, model 7378FE. As you can see. That was the last plane for today. More plane spotting coming soon. If you want to know what hand dryers they have here, they have Jayden Dawn auto beams and Dysons. So that's today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.